Welcome to my channel. Today we will learn about living things and non-living things. Living things. The things which have life are called living things. Living things can move, grow, breathe, feel and reproduce. They need nutrition to grow, develop and carry out their activities. Non-living things. The things which do not have life are called non-living things. Non-living things cannot move, grow, breathe, feel and reproduce. They do not need nutrition. Some examples of living things are animals, plants and human beings. Some examples of non-living things are water, mountain, aeroplane, car and toys. Living things can move. Living things can move from one place to another by their own. Animals and human beings can move using their legs. Animals like snake, turtle and snail can crawl. Water animals like fish, octopus and jellyfish can swim. Plants have roots which moves under the soil. Sunflower moves towards the sun. Living things can grow. Living things can grow from small to big over the time. Plants start from a sprout and become larger and larger. Human beings start from a baby and grow older and older. Like human beings, animals also start from baby and grow older and older. Living things can breathe. Breathing is the process by which animals take in oxygen from the air and release carbon dioxide. Human beings and many animals have lungs that allow them to take in oxygen from the air and release carbon dioxide. Fish have gills that enable them to extract oxygen from water. Plants do not have lungs like animals, but they do have tiny openings called stomata on their leaves. These stomata allow gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide to enter and exit. Living things can reproduce. Reproduction is the process by which living things produce their young ones either by giving birth or laying eggs. A woman gives birth to a baby. A cow gives birth to a calf. Birds lay eggs from which young ones come out. Plants reproduce through seeds. Many plants can also reproduce from other parts of the plant, such as stem, roots, and leaves. Living things need nutrition. Living things need food and water to grow, develop, and carry out their activities. Human beings depend upon plants and animals for their food. Animals depend upon plants and other animals for their food. Plants make their own food using water, air, and sunlight through the process called photosynthesis. Living things can sense. Living things can sense the changes in their surroundings. Human beings and animals can sense through their sense organs. Plants can sense light and grow towards it. Some plants can also respond to touch or contact. Non-living things. Man-made things like car, aeroplane, chair, table, toys, and many more are non-living things. Some natural things are non-living things such as mountain, water, and sun. Difference between living and non-living things. Living things can move. Non-living things cannot move. Living things can grow. Non-living things cannot grow. Living things can breathe. Non-living things cannot breathe. Living things can reproduce. Non-living things cannot reproduce. Living things can sense. Non-living things cannot sense. Living things need food and water. Non-living things do not need food and water. Thanks for watching.